The Jews are sometimes called the people of the book. That book is sometimes thought to be the Torah or the Hebrew Bible, but we might more accurately think of it as the Talmud. Over the past 1,500 years, the Talmud has become Judaism's cornerstone. The Babylonian Talmud is a unique and magisterial document. It contains almost 2 million words divided into 63 tractates. Written in Hebrew and Aramaic, it's a compendium of interpretations of the Bible, stories and fables, theology, law, poetry, and even medical advice. Mostly, though, it is a conversation in which the barriers of time and space are ripped down. Rabbis who lived in different times and places are put into dialogue with each other, as the Talmud's editors seek to understand, challenge, and modify their positions. Often, the conversation is less about establishing an actual legal ruling than it is about rigorously understanding why particular rabbis argue as they do and what is at stake. Often, this is a conversation that spills out of the Talmud proper and into its many commentaries and super commentaries that continue to make the text relevant in the present. Who would have guessed, for example, that the Talmud has something to add to our ethical discussions of bioengineering and AI? My name is Michael Sadlow, and I am a professor of Judaic Studies and Religious Studies. My primary research field is the history of Jews and Judaism in antiquity. In this course, I will take you inside one of my most important sources. We will approach the Talmud from several angles. We will learn about how it began to emerge after the destruction of the Jerusalem Temple by the Romans in 70 of the Common Era, and the theories about how and why it was edited in Persia in the 6th and the 7th centuries. We'll look at the history of its study and printing in Jewish communities throughout history, and its use in Jewish law. We'll see how it can be used to think more broadly about universal ethics and literary theory. We will also spend much of our time actually reading the Talmud, in English translation, of course. The Talmud is often less interested in what to think than in how to think, and we will learn how to think like the Talmud. The class is designed to be accessible to all, whatever your backgrounds. One of the things that I love most about teaching this class is watching the moment when students suddenly get it, when the light goes on. That's a transformative moment. Now, let's dive in.